Hi there, it's Albert Luck again from luckymaths.co.uk. This is percentage increase and decrease 2. Just follows on really from the previous worked examples. So if we're going to increase 120 by 15%, I'm going to need to work out those markers. So again, I've got no need to fill in always all of the table. And just to clarify, increase is going to be adding at the end onto what we started with. 10% of 120 will be 12. If we half that to get 5%, that's 6. If we then obviously put those two together, that means 15% is equal to 18, which we then need to add to what we started with, giving us an answer of 138. Example 2, start with 360, so it's our starting value, and we're going to be taking away 25%. So again, no need to work out some of these boxes. 360 divided by 10, 36, double it to get 20%, that's 72. But now if I look at my 10% again and half it, half of 36 would be 18. So 72 at 18 is going to mean that 25% is equal to 90. Just to clarify again, I'm going to take the 90 away from 360, leaving an answer of 270. Example 3, we're going to start with 500. We're looking to increase by 85%, so I've circled the ones I'm interested in. 10% is 50, double it, 100, double it again, 200, double it once more, 80% is 400, 5% will be half of the 10%, half of 50 is 25, so 85% is therefore 425. We need to add that to what we started, so therefore the final answer 925. Decrease 900 by 1%, so again, only interested in the one right at the end on the right there. 10% is 90, divide that by 10, 1% is 9. Again, no need to work out 20% or 40% or anything like that for that example. 900 minus 9, because we're decreasing, taking away, 891. And finally, we want to increase 100% or 400, sorry, by 36%, so we're going to need certain values here. We're going to need 10%, which is 40, double that to get 20% of 80, take off back to our 10% a minute, 40, we'll divide that by 2, half it to get 20%, and we'll take our 10% again, the 40, and divide it by 10 to get 1%. Final job is to add all of that together. Now, there's 144, and that's going to be added to the original 400, so that would be 544, because that again increase was an adding question, whereas decrease again, the previous one was subtract. Thanks for watching.